Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to make a text glow in Capcut Mobile, so let's jump right into it. First we open Capcut and then tap on New Project. From there add a photo or a video of plain black color just like this one right here. Once you add it, tap on Text, tap on Add Text, add the text that you want to make glow. Maybe edit the font or the style. After that tap on Export. Once it is exported, start a new project and choose the video that you have just exported. From here tap on Effects and then tap on Video Effects and then scroll right here until you find Nature. Now under Nature go ahead and choose this luminance effect right here, tap on it and then do the adjustments that you like. You can edit the intensity and the filler and rotate it as well. Once you're done, tap on the tick. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.